Is there anyone who can recall the sales chart for the North American market for the initial half of the year? The data unveiled a notable increase in delivery across nearly all segments, with the largest segment experiencing a substantial surge of 15%. Compact crossover SUVs emerged as the dominant category, surpassing 1.24 million units, so securing the leading position. Following closely were full-size pickups, with over 1.08 million deliveries, while giant CUVs accounted for nearly half that figure, reaching to 530,000 units. So it is apparent that small crossover utility vehicles are highly popular in the United States, exemplified by prominent models like the Tesla Model Y, Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Nissan Rogue, which dominate the market. Undoubtedly, a long-standing rivalry persists between the fifth-generation RAV4, which has maintained its commendable performance since its premiere in 2018, and the recently unveiled sixth-generation Honda CR-V. The second option, manufactured in Canada, specifically Alliston, Ontario at HCM, and the United States, with two facilities located in East Liberty, Ohio at ELAP and Greensburg, Indiana at HMIN, had the potential to surpass its long-standing competitor, however only if it takes prompt action. Based on speculative information, Toyota is purportedly considering undertaking a significant update or a total overhaul for its 2025 model year in order to sustain its market presence for an extended period. This implies that consumers will perceive it as a vehicle with enhanced attractiveness in comparison to its predecessor, rather than only incorporating incremental upgrades. In order to emerge victorious, Honda could undertake many strategic initiatives. According to the imaginative realm of digital automotive content creators, it is both feasible and beneficial for them to undertake substantial measures. For example, a review of Toyota's performance in the mid-size crossover SUV market can be observed through their 2024 Highlander and Grand Highlander models. Similarly, Honda's presence in this sector can be evaluated by considering their offerings of the Passport, a shorter model accommodating 5 seats, and the Pilot, a longer variant capable of accommodating up to 7 passengers. The resident pixel master of the Autoya channel continued to demonstrate a bold modification in both wheelbase and design. Simultaneously, he explained the potential alterations, revealing minimal to negligible adjustments preceding the B-pillar, while emphasizing that the majority of modifications would be concentrated in the rear. This would encompass the incorporation of longer back doors, a substantial rear overhang to accommodate a generous amount of space in the trunk, as well as a 3-row configuration that provides ample capacity for the rear seats. However, it should be noted that there were more factors to consider. On the other hand, customary practice dictates that the video presented includes a preliminary glimpse into the cabin, with particular emphasis on the novel seating configuration. Likewise, an in-full compilation of color options is included, along with a brief comparison between the standard CR-V and the yet-to-be-announced and unverified Grand CR-V or CR-V XL. However, it is advisable to approach this information with caution, exercising even greater skepticism than normal. This is due to the absence of any official confirmation from Honda, and the lack of any substantiated rumors on the potential development of a long-wheelbase version of the CR-V. And while waiting for this, let's take a look at the 2024 Honda CR-V. In the model year 2024, the Honda CR-V introduces a new trim level called Sport L, accompanied by an increase in the initial costs for all available variants. The Sport L model serves as an intermediary between the Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid trims, exclusively available in a hybrid configuration, akin to its aforementioned counterparts. The new trim level offers front-wheel drive as the base configuration, with the option to upgrade to all-wheel drive. The Sport L variant is equipped with leather seats, a 4-way power passenger seat, front and rear parking sensors, a wireless charging pad, satellite radio, driver's seat memory functionality, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. In addition, the Sport L variant is equipped with a 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is 2.0 inches larger than the one found in the normal Sport model. Likewise, it features an 8-speaker audio system that surpasses the 6-speaker setup of the Sport model, although it does not reach the level of the Sport Touring variant's Bose-branded 12-speaker system. The LX, EX, and EXL variants of the CR-V are only powered by gasoline. The Sport Hybrid, Sport L, and Sport Touring Hybrid models are equipped solely with the hybrid powertrain, making them the top recommendations by many. The front-wheel drive CR-V Sport Hybrid presents an enticing option for those seeking a more budget-friendly alternative. The vehicle is offered at a competitive price point and boasts an EPA-estimated fuel efficiency of 43 miles per gallon in urban areas, surpassing the city rating of the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Sport Hybrid variant is equipped with aesthetically pleasing black external highlights, complemented by black 18-inch wheels, and features a steering wheel covered in leather material. The Sport Touring Hybrid variant commands a higher price point, although offers the added benefit of all-wheel drive as a standard feature, along with an extensive range of luxurious amenities that significantly enhance the overall driving experience. The CR-V is equipped with a conventional 190 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-litre four-cylinder engine, which is located behind its vertical grille. The vehicle is equipped with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and offers the option of front or all-wheel drive. This particular configuration is commonly seen on the LX, EX, and EXL trims. The Sport and Sport Touring variants only have a hybrid powertrain configuration comprising a 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine and two electric motors. This amalgamation yields a collective power output of 204 horsepower. The Sport model offers the option of front or all-wheel drive, while the Sport Touring variant comes equipped with all-wheel drive as the default configuration. According to reports, the Sport Touring Hybrid model demonstrated a commendable acceleration by reaching a speed of 60 miles per hour in a time of 7.9 seconds. Each CR-V model is equipped with hill descent control, a feature designed to regulate the speed of the compact SUV when navigating steep or slick drops at low velocities. The majority of versions are equipped with a set of 18-inch wheels, while the Sport variant features black wheels. The Sport Touring variant is equipped with distinctive 19-inch wheels, which are additionally finished in a black paint color. Although the Mazda CX-50 and Volkswagen Tiguan are known for their exhilarating handling, the new CR-V offers a comfortable ride and sufficient dynamism to prevent monotony. The towing capacity of the Honda CR-V is reported to be 1,500 pounds. However, the CR-V Hybrid, when fitted with optional towing accessories, exhibits a more limited capacity of 1,000 pounds. The CR-V has two powertrain options, offering a choice between a 190 horsepower 1.5-litre gasoline engine and a 204 horsepower hybrid unit that combines a 2.0-litre engine with two electric motors. The CR-V, equipped with a front-wheel drive system and a turbocharged 1.5-litre four-cylinder engine, has been estimated by the EPA to obtain 28 miles per gallon in urban areas and 34 miles per gallon on highways. However, the front-wheel drive Sport Hybrid variant of the CR-V is the most fuel-efficient option, achieving 43 miles per gallon in city driving and 36 miles per gallon on highways. The non-hybrid CR-V has not been subjected to testing thus far. However, during the evaluation of the all-wheel drive Sport Touring Hybrid variant on a real-world highway fuel economy route, with a consistent speed of 75 miles per hour, it achieved a fuel efficiency rating of 31 miles per gallon. The interior design of the CR-V is aesthetically pleasing, with a honeycomb textured inlay that spans a significant portion of the dashboard, effectively concealing the air vents. The steering wheel encompasses a largely digital gauge cluster featuring an analog speedometer and a 7.0-inch display, enabling the driver to seamlessly transition between several informational panels. According to Honda, the front seats of the new CR-V have been specifically engineered to mitigate driver tiredness during extended journeys. Likewise, the driving position of the vehicle has been enhanced for superior ergonomics. A spacious center console bin is situated between the front seat occupants, while the rear legroom of the reclining back seats in the current CR-V model has been increased by an additional 0.6 inch. The cargo capacity behind the second row measures 36 cubic feet, while gas-only vehicles equipped with the adjustable load floor in its lowest configuration offer 39 cubic feet of cargo space. The infotainment system of the CR-V is controlled by a 7.0-inch touchscreen, which is present in the LX, EX, and Sport trim levels. The configuration includes physical volume and tuning controls, along with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. The 9.0-inch touchscreen equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is featured in the EXL and Sport Touring versions. Although the larger display lacks a tuning knob, it does feature a volume knob in conjunction with the integrated navigation system. Likewise, there are two USB-C connections available for the convenience of rear seat passengers, as well as wireless smartphone charging functionality. Individuals desiring the inclusion of the 12-speaker Bose sound system will need to invest in the highest tier variant of the CR-V, known as the Sport Touring model. Having said that, what do you think of a Grand CR-V? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.